So they came to visit a friend, and one of them had to fuck it up. See, my homies. If like one of us does some dumb shit, you're getting. You don't want to do dumb shit around us because you're getting roasted or something, bro. It's a ghost. You see that particle, bro?
It's fucking dust.
Oh, there's a homeowner. Not only that, but you're gonna get your own homie in trouble. Oh,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
He's gonna pay the price for this.
You're not slick, buddy.
Oh, he still. He hopes he enjoys the Toy Story Christmas ornaments. He still.
It's like, bro, you're risking your fucking like going to jail for.
Phoenix,
There's
Arizona.
something that you don't know.
Check these guys out.